A gerund is a verb ending in ing that functions as a noun. Here is the list of verbs followed by gerund. Keep, forget, endure, report, postpone, avoid, appreciate, despise, hate, complete, practice, shirk, start, delay, appreciate, regret, avoid, risk, prefer, recall, involve, try, like, dread, intend, tolerate, anticipate, report, defer, enjoy, resent, quit, fancy, postpone, allow, resist, finish, abhor, imagine, evade, enjoy, defend, finish, urge, begin, love, quit, despise, practice, dislike, mind, need, resist, dislike, consider, discuss, complete, appreciate, tolerate, propose, mention, consider, deny, shun, risk, delay, mention, enjoy, keep, detest, require, confess, suggest, recollect, dread, admit, support, love, continue, omit, forgive, propose, neglect, warrant. And with this, our today's topic is complete. Thank you for watching our video till the end. If you have any queries, do tell us in the comment section. Hit the like button if you like our video. Share our video with your friends and family. If you want the PDF of today's lecture, you can get the link from description.